Servpro. I am actually just reaching out to help you generate more leads, sales, and traffic and website traffic. As I reviewed your website, I noticed a few simple improvements that could make a big difference. I know you are investing in Google Ads and want to make sure you are getting most out of every visitor who lands on your website. I've spent some time reviewing your website with that in mind, and I wanted to share a few observations and ideas that could help you get more phone calls, emails, and chat inquiries from your website traffic. First, I noticed that your calls to action, like your phone number and email and chat options, could be a lot more, prominent. Right now, they are a bit easy to miss, and making them stand out more can make a big difference. For example, having your phone number big, bold, and clickable at the top of every page, and maybe here in every page. Yeah, you have like how many pages? Yeah, you have a lot. Yeah, in every page, like here. And maybe even having a sticky bar that stays visible as people scroll can really encourage more calls. So let's go back here. If you have a chat box, it should be visible and inviting, but not intrusive. Sometimes chat widgets are tucked away or hard to spot, which means people who might want quick help don't see them. Yeah, they most of the browser. I mean, people that browsing, they're having a hard time to locate the chat box. Okay, anyway. So I also check your site's user experience. The page loads pretty well, but on mobile devices, there are few spots where navigation could be smoother. Since so many people use their phones to browse, making sure your site is fast and easy to use on mobile is super important. Another thing that can slow people down in friction, like long contact forms, unclear instructions, or too many distractions. If we can simplify the process for getting in touch and make your main messages really clear, you'll see more people reaching out. To sum up, by making your contact options more visible, improving and mobile experience, and removing any barriers, you'll make it much easier for people to get in touch, whether by phone, by email, or chat. Think of it like clearing a path. The easier and more obvious you make it, the more people will take action. If you like, I can help you prioritize which changes to make first, or even walk you through how to implement them. What do you think? Yeah, so also I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Juvie, and I work with Optimized Media Marketing here in Eugene. We have specialized in helping local businesses fix their online marketing and turn their websites into lead generating machines. I hope you found these tips, the tips that I have said, helpful, and we offer a free strategy call to help you like implement these changes to help increase your sales and revenue. That's all for now. Thank you.